Hi, and welcome back to Project Assistant. In this video, I'll walk you through the project screen, which displays your entire project. Starting on your dashboard, double-click the project you'd like to work on. Then click the project icon. There are many helpful features you'll use to keep your project on track from here, so let's explore them. Each column represents a deliverable and contains that specific deliverables, task groups, and associated tasks. For example, pre-onboarding is the deliverable and prepare for new hire is the task group. Click a task group once to select it. The 3 vertical dots will appear, which provide access to additional actions. Double-click a task group to open it. Click the large plus button on the right to add a new deliverable. Or click the plus button at the top of a deliverable to add a new task group. The small boxes on a task group represent its associated tasks, and the color corresponds to their status. Roll over the date to view the work period and the calendar dates. Click the eye on a deliverable or a task group to view and edit the work description and summary, which becomes the rollover tooltip. At the bottom left of a task group is the project ID, followed by an automatically generated unique ID number. Columns and task groups are drag and drop, so you can easily reorganize them. Now check out the top navigation bar, which runs from left to right. This bar includes access to the dashboard, the project title and end date, access to additional help information, and your account. Then go to the left navigation bar. Here you can click the icons to open the plan, project, and timeline. Above the columns, you can attach documents to the project, view the work period selected on the timeline page, view and update team members, and toggle the button to hide unpinned items. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the question mark at the upper right.